lang ang anak ko, Day. Good morning. Iyan si Inday, mabait yung batang yan. Katulad yan sa ama. Tinapit ang Panginoon. I would like to greet each one of you. Good morning. Bagbalik mga kada, Mayor. You know, it's been a year since we, mga skula kantorong, we sang songs for caroling here in the city of Davao. But now, we come again because we know that you are so generous. Ang butlag mo hatag pa mo. You know, this is for the construction of our new chapel. And it became trending earlier days. I said in the media, you build your own chapel in your own home. And we, the Regional Major Seminary, please consider our seminary as your own home so that we can build together our own chapel. Basin may lang mo palagpablik mo hobi ha? By the way, I would like also to express my gratitude sa mga policemen and women and the military. No? Without them, protection na to hinay yun. Pero nga sila, our safety, you will really say that indeed we are protected here in Davao. Not only in Davao, but in the whole Philippines. Tumana. Isa-isa din yung mga larawan ni Sir Erpa. Isa pa yung laing supporter na ako niya. Naiwan ko si Bungo doon sa Malacanang. Ano ba siya doon? Mag-basketball ba siya? By the way, let's go back to our point here, you know. The Rimasi plan to build a big chapel for everyone because we are growing in number ng mga seminarians there, no? They are growing in number ng maghuot nito sa kapila. Sige nagpaningtong. Tadlawang dako gipaningot ng huot nito. May munto nga, the good Archbishop told our former rector na Bishop Abel na maybe we need to build a big chapel. Not only for us, but for those who have their retreat and recollections there, so they can be accommodated in that new chapel. Now, if you have time, at mo dito sa Katalunan, na dito sa Mr. January Duterte dito, Dapita, dito sa Katalunan, bisitahin mo yung chapel dito. Pinumpita na. Bisitahin niyo dito. Kung Madam Day, I know Inday is very generous person. Ang si ate, pinupita to. Nag-iyak na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Muabot yung nag-jismil na magkalimusin kami pa ulit sa mua. Well, nawa na nung ko sa ako ang tumong nung ano. But just to light the day, no? To light up the day. No? Be joyful because it's Christmas. But not only because it's Christmas that you are here. You have to be joyful, no? And I ask you to please pray for our President, no? For the good heart and his perseverance, no? And also to the city of Davao, because the Davao city is already flourishing, no? When Davao life is here. Okay. So, sabay ko niyo ingon nga Davao life is here. 1, 2, ready, go. Iya, ramang kusga ninyo. Kulbaan ko abin ko sniper na ko. Pero nasayar ko na I am really safe in Davao. Kita ko sniper ko dito. We are already protected. We are safe in Davao. So, everyone, come to Davao. You know, back to my own aim, no objective of this caroling, to build a new chapel. And in behalf of the Rimasi community, the Regional Middle Seminary of Mindanao, we would like to express, wa kami kadawat sa inyong ihatag, no? But we would like to express already our thanksgiving for all the support financially and spiritually. No? O financial lang, di may magdugay. But because of the prayers, we will last. No? Anak na kung siyang kinabuhi. Yang mo diha, ang ubang kakuyapon na diha, pasilong mo na. Kaso man, maghimo tagdoong ka rin, ako ni Pagwas, di pinabuligid sila. Kung tingnan ko kasi niya, makaabot ni kang Mr. Rodrigo Roa Duterte, may bilang president, ato kung malalakan niyang, what, tujog ko eh. Pero musugot ko, mag-courtesy call, upan mo pungin ako, kakura isa dito. Pasoon niya,